The ocean remains a tremendous untapped resource for green energy, and the wave conditions around the UK coastline are optimum to support wave energy developments. Delivering net zero through a just transition requires wave and tidal to be part of the energy mix. Offshore assets and ocean equipment require power in remote offshore locations. At present, this process is reliant on subsea umbilicals, which are carbon intensive and expensive, with long lead times to procure and install. Mocean Energy designs and delivers wave energy converters to provide ocean equipment and the grid with clean, carbon-free, renewable energy. Their Blue X wave energy converter is a hinged raft device with unique geometry designed to convert wave energy into electricity in harsh wave climates. It combines with Verlume's Halo underwater battery, an autonomous seabed energy storage system that provides uninterrupted renewable power to subsea CCS injection equipment, oil and gas production equipment, as well as autonomous underwater vehicles. The Blue X wave energy converter is sector agnostic and can support opportunities in the oil and gas energy transition, defence, offshore wind, and the ocean science markets. The Blue X wave energy converter is an alternative to traditional umbilicals. For a one-time deployment in a carbon capture and storage well versus a traditional umbilical deployment, the system could save an estimated £74 million and result in a reduction of 92% CO2 emissions. Blue X and the Halo underwater battery have been installed in the seas off Orkney as part of a 4-month offshore demonstration programme where the system will power Transmark's autonomous underwater vehicle ARV-I. The deployment marks the third phase of the £2 million Renewables for Subsea Power project, supported by a consortium of partners including Harbour Energy, Serica Energy and the Net Zero Technology Centre. This integrated deployment in real sea conditions will help unlock the system's full potential.